Wen Crypto Bottom. The FTX-induced crash occurred in the crypto world a few weeks ago. It left many of us finding more answers to when the recent bear market would end. With a false recovery after a few days, investors begin to be optimistic. But no, the mother of all crashes is yet to occur, some analysts said. 2023 may be another year to count previous blessings to console the mind. Or perhaps everyone may be wrong. Bitcoin has plummeted after peaking at over 64,000 about a year ago. The peak-to-trough drop has been enormous, amounting to almost 76%. Many other digital assets have been hammered during this bear market phase, with some falling by 90% or more. Bitcoin got ahead of itself, and as the Fed tightened, Bitcoin deflated. Furthermore, Bitcoin may soon go below my long-term buy-in target of 12,000. However, Bitcoin is far from worthless, and the cryptocurrency market is still alive and well. Bitcoin and other functional and transactional digital assets have a vast market. While the mood is currently negative, trust in the cryptocurrency sector should recover, and Bitcoin's price should rise dramatically in the next few years. Has the cryptocurrency market experienced a bottom yet? Or the recent happenings are just the tip of an iceberg? Relax! And please note that this video and other videos on the channel are not to be misjudged as financial advice. They are purely educational and made to expand the knowledge of finance. Without further ado, let's get started. The Optimism. The global crypto market experienced significant shifts in November, with the FTX drop leaving skeptics and crypto enthusiasts uncertain about the sector's future. The worldwide crypto market valuation plummeted as low as $730 billion, but managed to recover slightly from multi-month lows in November. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most altcoins have dropped to multi-month lows in recent months, as the FTX issue has caused concern among crypto investors. While Bitcoin's price had touched a multi-month low of roughly 15,000 and was still in a broader bearish trend, many analysts believed it had bottomed. According to a crypto quant expert, the Bitcoin price will not fall below 15,000. The expert predicted that a BTC dead cross would occur shortly, and that the Bitcoin price was at the bottom. According to the analyst's premise, when the short-term dominance of Bitcoin UTXO falls below the long-term dominance, the price of Bitcoin rises significantly. Based on Bitcoin UTXO age bands, the analyst predicted that a dead cross would occur shortly, and that the BTC price had most likely found its bottom. With the rise in CPI and the Fed's continued raising of interest rates, Cameron Foose predicted that once the bottom of the descending triangle people formed on the Bitcoin chart was broken, nothing would keep the cryptocurrency down to the next support at 12K to 9K. Bitcoin is retesting its recent low of 15.5K and will almost certainly fall below it. If FTX and Luna had not done enough, this might spoil a lot of people's Christmas and New Year. Not only Bitcoin, but we may be witnessing another drop in XRP to about 15 cents. Cameron Foose is not blind to the fact that the crypto world is frightening right now, and a lot of scary happenings are about to take place. When the global crypto market remains bearish, this is followed by a brief push up to 0.02 BTC. Crypto traders should be wary of altcoins, according to analyst Rekt Capital. According to him, numerous altcoins appeared to be converting existing supports into new resistances. Rekt Capital went on to say that it's best to be cautious until altcoins can recoup these recently dropped levels. Despite the fact that a slew of analysts and investors are trying to profit from Bitcoin price predictions, the task is difficult. A never-sleeping market determines Bitcoin's value second by second, day by day. Because the value of a cryptocurrency is determined by an open market, it presents unique issues in terms of volatility that conventional currencies do not oppose. While Bitcoin price prediction is a changing target, market literacy is required to get the most out of one's participation in the crypto economy. Without delving too far into technical analysis, what most traders and market watchers are looking for is the overall sentiment of the market. Michael Burry stirs the water again. Former hedge fund manager and big short investor Michael Burry has issued another warning about the status of the market. Burry, who deleted his tweets days later, tweeted, "Crypto crash. Check. Meme failure. Check. SPAC has crashed. Check the inflation rate. Check. 2000. Check. 2008. Check. 2022. Over the last year, mega investor Michael Burry has been on record recommending individuals to exit the cryptocurrency market. A 77% collapse in Bitcoin's value in the last year, according to Fortune, and FTX's $32 billion meltdown, according to Barron's, appear to show that the financial seer was on the correct track. Burry warned investors that the cryptocurrency sector was undergoing the biggest speculative bubble of all time in all things, and that the mother of all crashes was on the horizon for cryptocurrency investors, according to Yahoo Finance. Crypto is intended to be a transparent financial instrument that operates outside of the mainstream, providing individuals, organizations, and governments with capital funding that is not monitored by fat cat bankers. It turns out that unregulated markets have just as much greed and corruption as those regulated by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Willy Woo's side. Willy Woo, a well-known Bitcoin and crypto on-chain analyst, has projected that the current Bitcoin bear market is nearing its end, based on the percentage of BTC supply that is considered underwater. Woo indicated on Twitter that a macro cycle bottom for Bitcoin has traditionally been witnessed when 58% to 61% of the BTC supply is underwater, or owned by investors sitting on an unrealized loss, based on his so-called max pain model. According to Woo's hypothesis, that level is presently approaching. When asked where the model thinks the bottom will be, Woo allowed that the price might still fall further, adding the upper section of his model's shaded area is at 13,000 and growing swiftly. Zoomed in on the model max pain. Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust is represented by the green region. Willy Woo's max pain model had forecasted the bottom of the Bitcoin bear market in late 2018 and 2015. During the 2011 bear market, during Bitcoin's early years, the price came close to, but did not reach the model's forecast bottom price. Philip Swift. Few are expecting a trend change in Q4 2022, which corresponds to the end of the 2018 Bitcoin bear market. While Look Into Bitcoin author Philip Swift recently predicted that the current bear market will last only a few months, most analysts continue to look for new lows. However, the most exciting region for credible crypto is farther ahead, but 2023 will be a watershed moment. He predicts that after reaching new all-time highs, ATHS, of at least 100,000 BTC-USD, will fall from its blow-off peak in an unprecedented manner. The next bear market will have a lower bottom than this year's value, allowing buyers to enter the market for as little as 10,000 in 2025. We don't know yet. Cathie Wood went far into the future. In a Bloomberg interview, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood was asked about her previous prediction that Bitcoin would reach 1 million per coin by 2030. Wood recommitted to the wager despite the recent weak market in Bitcoin and equities. Wood claims that the recent breakdown of FTX and other leading crypto businesses simply serves to battle test the infrastructure and premise of the first cryptocurrency. She adds that Bitcoin will come out of this smelling like roses. The remark could be in reference to how third parties were substantially to blame for the recent collapse. But the idea for a decentralized future without intermediaries has only been reinforced. While Wood is not doubtful of Bitcoin, she believes the situation may cause institutions to hesitate before investing, but that they will eventually be more comfortable investing in BTC. At 1 million per BTC, the top crypto analyst by market cap would have to rise more than 6,000% in less than 8 years from its present bear market bottom. Bitcoin has increased by approximately 60,000% in the last 8 years. So anything is possible. However, unlikely. Michael Saylor's Optimism. Michael Saylor, chairman and co-founder of software company turned Bitcoin acquisition vehicle MicroStrategy, predicts that the value of Bitcoin will overtake gold within 10 years, giving Bitcoin a $500,000 price and a market capitalization of $10 trillion, despite one Wall Street CEO branding it dangerous. According to Saylor, Bitcoin's next natural step is to replace gold as a non-sovereign store of value asset, noting that gold is a 10 trillion asset. Bitcoin is digital gold. It is 100 times more valuable than gold. And if Bitcoin reaches the value of gold, it will be worth $500,000 per Bitcoin. Saylor predicted that Bitcoin will institutionalize, reclaiming its status as a 1 trillion asset before bursting to 10 trillion during the next 10 years, without specifying a specific time frame. Saylor, on the other hand, cautioned that he does not have a short-term price prediction, stating he has no idea what the Bitcoin price would be 12 months from now, but highlighting the severe price volatility across all asset classes as a result of the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening stance. In recent months, BlackRock, the world's largest asset management company, opened the floodgates for institutions to use Bitcoin, while Fidelity is apparently considering introducing Bitcoin trading services to its 34.4 million retail investor base. Today's price decline in cryptocurrency is not limited to Bitcoin. Indeed, the entire cryptocurrency world is under extreme fear and enormous pressure as a result of the U.S. Federal Reserve policy of tightening its monetary policy and increasing interest rates, causing the prices of many other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and many other crypto coins, to fall. In fact, major global stock exchanges are affected by the same U.S. Federal Reserve strategy. Before opting to acquire or sell an item in this difficult circumstance, it would be ideal if you could consult with or discuss it with someone with more experience on the subject. Also, this channel has been created for crypto news and education. Always remember that cryptocurrency investment has significant volatility. Do invest according to your risk tolerance. Avoid panic selling or buying in this uncertain environment, since it will harm your investment portfolio. If you do it, you will be sorry. During this difficult time, you may need to relax and have a clear head in order to make the right investment selection and avoid a large loss. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so for more educative and financial videos.